Hey guys, today I'd like to teach you guys about arithmetic operation in Chinese. First off, plus in Chinese is called as 加. Let's look at the example. 2加3等于5. So, 加 means plus, 等于 means equals. And this sentence entirely means 2 plus 3 equals 5. And the next one is minus. Minus in Chinese is called as 减. And let's go ahead to the example. 2减5等于负3. 减 means minus, 等于 means equals. 负 also means minus, but it is an adjective. So this sentence entirely means 2 minus 5 equals minus 3. And the next one is times. Times in Chinese is called as 乘. And here's the example. 3乘4等于12. And 乘 means times, 等于 means equals. So this sentence entirely means 3 times 4 equals 12. And the last is divide. So in Chinese we call divide as 除. And here 除 is usually used in active sentence. Let's look at the example. 3除9等于3. In active sentence, the divisor is always placed at the beginning of the sentence, whereas the dividend is always placed behind the verb 除, divide. So here 除 means divide, 等于 means equals. So this sentence entirely means 3 divides 9 equals 3. And the next one is also about divide. We know that we call divide in Chinese as 除, but this time I want use the divide in passive sentence. So in English it's become divided, and in Chinese we must put 以 besides the 除. So it's become 除以 means divided. Let's do the example. 9除以3等于3. Here, in passive sentence, the dividend is always placed at the beginning of the sentence, whereas the divisor is placed behind the verb 除. And here, 除以 means divided, and 等于 means equals. So this sentence entirely means 9 divided by 3 equals 3. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. For the next learning videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.